As I mentioned during the unboxing of the Hasegawa Lancia Delta kit, I will be doing this in a collaboration with USCP. They have made multiple parts for this kit to enhance it from the stock version. They've made some wheels, some seats, and also a nicely detailed engine bay, which all of these I will be using on the build. Starting off with the wheels. So in the wheel set you get a set of nice wheels and also some tires, which are optional. I decided to go with pretty much both, as I didn't really know if the low profile or the thicker profile would look nicer, so USCP was kind enough to send me both. Next to that low profile set, they also gave me a thicker profile set, which also has some nice details on the sidewall, and again a nice thread pattern on the tire itself. When ordering a USCP wheel set, you also get some options for the mounting of the wheels, in this case male or female fitment, as you desire to put them on pretty much any kit you like. And of course, in that wheel set you also get a set of 4 wheels. They're all cast in resin, pretty much the same wheel all round, with lots of nice detail in the spokes. A bit of flashing left from the molding, but a bit of cleanup isn't really that big of a deal. Just a nice paint job and they can pretty much be mounted to the model straight away.